Destroy the temple, rebuild it in your heart. Search into your darkness for another place to start. Take what you need, forget about the rest. The walls are shaking and time is running fast. The time is running fast. Destroy the temple, go out in the street, open your eyes and get up on your feet. Before tomorrow comes, the walls will tumble down, the whole world will wake up to that mighty sound, to that mighty sound. Destroy the temple, there's nothing there to find. Don't need much to break the chains inside your mind. Run fast as you can, jump outside the fence. Someone's out there waiting for you to start a dance, for you to start a dance. You need, forget about the rest. The walls are shaking, time is running fast. The time is running fast.
Thank you very much. The